going to check out her room. That isn't one. Oh. I thought that was a door.
From here.
This is the bathroom.
Turn it on. There's the bathroom. There is another bathroom. This is the second bathroom. Our room.
And this is our view. Yes. Oh.
Wow. See, we got the
Where
view
are the
here.
hidden beds? I'm gonna go to that, and there's another hidden bed here. And this time it is Lilo and Stitch themed. There are the bungalows, and they're on the water, so it's very, very nice view. And I don't know exactly, but I think that might be that's a ferry, maybe. You can like lay down in it without having to go into the water while you're in the water at the same time. It's like a little like net, and then it goes like down a bit, but like it's like a hot tub or bathtub like size. No, not like the size of a bathtub, but like how far deep down it goes. Which maybe they have that, and if they do, that's cool.